Hello guys, this is Roy69501 and welcome to another Futures End One Shot. And this time I'm going to be talking about Birds of Prey One Shot. Check that out. And this one is the standard edition, not 3D cover. But I like the cover though. Pretty awesome. Well, basically this is the story between Black Canary and Batgirl. Yes. Talking about this Batgirl. So she's going Black Canary, she has, and this happened 3 years in the future, not 5. Black Canary, something happened with the Birds of Prey that Black Canary, she decided to have her own team. So her team's name is the Red League, bunch of ninjas. So she went to rescue. She went to her country to rescue a bunch of girls that they've been used for sale, slavery, to be slave, and God knows what else. But anyway, so the thing is that while she's been there, she comes back to the States. Now, 5 years from now, most of the girls that she rescued is kind of like telling you, kind of like a backstory how she got all those Red Leagues team, kind of. So some of the girls that she rescued, they end up working for Black Canary, fighting crime. And she's investigating who's the leader of that organization that is dealing with trafficking humans. So when she finally finds out who the main guy is, guess who shows up? Batgirl. Now, before I continue, I want to make something clear. Is that this comic book has nothing to do with Batgirl or vice versa. So if you bought this book and you think that you need to buy this book, don't, because it's not a part 1 or part 2 or nothing at all. It just happened to be that Black Canary and Batgirl, they meet by coincidence. So one book has nothing to do with the other. Back to the story. So, and there's the big fight between Batgirl and Black Canary, as we can see here. And Black Canary tried to convince Batgirl to join her because what she's doing is wrong. And Batgirl says, no, what I'm doing is the correct. But even though I'm not a Batgirl anymore, there always can be others that can take Batgirl place. And that was the end of the story. That it was good. To be honest with you guys, I did not like it. So I will give this book 3 out of 5. I hardly ever give a 3 out of 5. When I give a 3 out of 5, that means 3, I did not like it. And I did not like it. Yeah, it has some good moments, but that has something to do with Future End? Not at all. It's like I said in one of my videos. This is more like a what if in the future. That's it. So, I did not like Birds of Prey. And I'm a big fan of Birds of Prey. But on this book, I did not like it. Well, guys, see you later. Bye.